What is up, T.O.Gs? We have not done something like this in a while because we've just had the bike and been happy and content to just do what we've been doing, which is riding and making videos. But the bike does need regular chain maintenance and regular maintenance, and I plan to do some of that by myself or on my own at home, not taking it into the shop, in other words. So I needed a bike stand. I already have a front stand to stand the bike upright, but I also needed a rear stand to work on the chain much easier. So what I did was I went to Cycle Gear. Boom. I don't know if you can see that in the picture, but I went to Cycle Gear. They didn't have one, so they ordered one for me, and here it is in the box. We're gonna unbox it, and we'll get right to it. We're gonna unbox this, and then we're just gonna throw the bike up on the stand so you guys can have a look-see at how all of that works. So just to see what you get is a lot of bags of air. But here's the stand itself. This is the Pitbull stand, and this is the single-sided swing arm one. And you can get one of these for yourself. It's just a matter of getting the right pin to match the stand. There is going to be some assembly required here, so we'll get to that. But I guess really quickly why I chose the Pitbull stand over the KTM stand. I did talk to the guys at Cycle Gear who said Pitbull make great stands. They're durable, they last a long time. You know, you're probably going to have this stand for many, many years. And he says the welds are good, and he's just never had any problems on them with them himself, and he also has never had anyone come in to complain. If anyone's gonna complain here about me opening this, they're gonna complain about me getting the knife so close to my hand, and I get it. My wife will tell you too that I have trouble handling knives without getting cut, so hopefully she didn't see that part.
One eternity later.
Okay, so this is what you're gonna have to get, particularly for your bike, is this pin that's gonna go into the swing arm. Specifically for the KTM has a single-sided swing arm, so we needed that correct size pin so that when we put the bike up on the stand, we don't have any issues. So some assembly required. We're gonna go get an Allen wrench so we can put the stand on here. The way it goes is you can put this stand so that it's this way, or you can do it the other way. It just depends on what direction you want to be able to put the bike up on the stand, whether you want this sticking out the end or towards the front of the bike. And the difference is, you know, if it's sticking out the back of the bike, you might trip over it or whatever. Probably a little less so if you have it pointing towards the front of the bike. So we're gonna do it towards the front because to me it seemed like it was easier to put the bike up on the stand when it was facing towards the front. So let's go get an Allen wrench and put this thing together.
5 minutes later.
So we've got our Allen wrench. We're going to unscrew this just a little bit to get it started. And just pull this bolt out. As you can see, a long bolt, strong bolt. That's gonna be good. So we want the bike to stand up when we're here to get it to stand up that way. So we got that way, down, and then we'll get right into the test. Again, not a whole lot too. I mean, you want to talk about easy assembly. You know, when I put my my chalk stand, my front wheel chalk stand together, that one took a few minutes. There was some pieces and some jigs in it. This one, oops, sorry, that handle was probably right in the way of the camera. So there it is. There's the stand. That's all there is to it. We're gonna show you how to put the bike up on this Pitbull single-sided swing arm rear wheel stand. All right, so we've got our Pitbull stand here, brand new, set for our bike, and this is just going to show you how hopefully easy this is. So, got our pin, slide that all the way in, okay? So you can see here, the stand is not level with the ground. So you gotta pull the bike up, level with the ground, and you can kind of feel it grab, and then up you go. Boom, just like that. And you got play here to clean and lube the chain. And I mean, as far as stands go, I don't know how much easier you can get than that. Like I said, I have the front wheel chock, and I have the center stand now, the scissor lift, that I don't think that I'll use anymore. But I will probably keep that just in case we do end up with a bike that can use it. But like I said, here it is. It's all there. Kind of a quick video, but really I just kind of wanted to show you the new bike stand. Again, you can get the KTM version, but I've only heard good things about Pitbull, so that is why I went with that. Again, here, if we're just gonna pull it up off the stand and back onto the kickstand, and just like that, the stand is out, the bike is on the kickstand. And again, I don't know how much more simple you could get with a bike stand. Alright guys, that is about as easy as a product unboxing and review. Easy, as quick as it can get. But guys, if you have any questions about the Pitbull single-sided swing arm rear wheel stand, make sure you leave them in the comments. Also, if you have anything to say about this product, maybe if you've already had one and you have something to say about it, make sure you leave it in the comments too, because it'll be really useful for anybody swinging by watching this video. That is all I have for you today. Guys, if you're out there riding, be safe. And if you're not riding, get riding. I'm that one guy, and I am out.